How to set up your ClockCamDVR. The first thing that you want to do is set the time by using the rotating hand dial located on the back of the clock. And insert a AA battery, which is not included, into the battery compartment when you are done. The next thing you want to do is set up and configure the settings. Insert your micro and SD card into the TF slot. Connect the power adapter. Connect the ClockCamDVR to your PC or laptop using the mini USB cable provided. Move the on-off switch button to on. And you're going to want to click on My Computer, the removable disc. Click on the ClockCamDVR icon, the ClockCamDVR settings, date, time format, motion sensitivity, video standard, image quality, overwrite, button sound. Click Save to save your settings. Once you save the settings, press and hold the sync button on the back of the clock. Hold it for 5 seconds. Disconnect the USB cable from the computer. Connect the camera to the back of the TV using the video cable. Push the power button to see a live image. After you record your DVR settings, you are ready to record. Push the motion detection button on the remote until you hear a beep. To view your recorded files, remove your SD card from the ClockCamDVR and enter it into the slot on your computer. Then you go to My Computer, click on the SD card, video, file, double click on the video, and view your playback.